First impression is the last impression. This is true in every sector of your life. So when you make a YouTube video, the audience first notice that how much professional your YouTube intro video. So in this video, I will show you that how to make a professional intro video without using any software. So please watch this video till the end to know that how to make a professional YouTube intro video in just spending 5 minutes. So let's start the video. So viewers, now I will show you that how to make a YouTube intro video without any software use. So you will have to use a website, that is panzoid.com, panzoid.com. We will go to that website and make our intro video. So when you go to the website, you will find so many templates for YouTube intro video, so you can make your own intro video from here on, just a small edit. So you can go to the more creation option, and you will find out the trending, the latest, and the top, several options there on, and find your desired one, that where you want to edit and make your own intro video. So let me choose one for showing you that how to make your own intro video from this website, Panzoid. So I'm choosing this one. Then you have to make the click in the open in clip maker. That will go to directly to the main editing option, where you can edit a small bits and piece for making your own intro video. It will take 2 or 3 seconds to get loaded. You will see a sign like eyes. You just click there on, and you can have the preview of how the overall transition is going on in this intro video. So you can check that transition. Then you will go to the square size symbol to change the object name. When you go there, you will find out the text section. You go to the text section to edit the name. So click in the text, and you find out the text, and I will just change the text according to my channel, Mr. Dhaka. So just click outside, that you see that already it's changed in the screen. There are several fonts available here. You can change according to your own choice. There are so many fonts are available. I am making a one for, you see that it's changing. So it's totally up to your choice that which font you like to set for your intro video. You can also change the size of your letter or of your text, and also the thickness, just changing the value from here on. So there are several options to edit. So according to your own desire, you can edit the videos, and you can edit also the position of your text from here on, which can make a proper video. Just have a look that how it is changed. So you can see the preview of your intro video from here on. So when it is finished, just time to get download. So you'll see the download option here on. You just click the download option. You get this window. There are several quality, good quality, balanced, highest quality. You get the good quality, and there are several formats, MKV, WMV format. So we just check in the MKV format and start the video rendering. So it will take some time. After some time, you will see that your render is finished. Now click the video. So just download the video, and finally just enjoy the intro video for your rest of the video making, which will make your video much more professional.